Welcome to the channel, everyone. This is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. We're going to be talking about putting handles, specifically these aluminum handles. Ooh, how nice these are. They're stick-on handles. They're from a company called SainSmart. Great company. I bought them from, best of all, Amazon. Free shipping. Nicely packaged in this box. And we're going to put them on my laser enclosure. See, this laser enclosure is so hard to open. It's from SainSmart. It's my kiosk. I love the thing, but I can't open it. There's just no way to open it. I'm going to put a handle on it today right here. You guys are going to love it. Right there. So here's the handles I've tried. I bought this one and I had to send it back. It's highly inferior. It's made out of polycarbonate. There were 2 to a package. $9.99. Oh my, these are so overpriced. They're made by Primeline. Now, I'm not knocking these things. I mean, I shouldn't really knock them. They would go fine like on a window behind a blind or something. Here they are. I ripped open the box thinking they would be perfect, and really, let's take a look. Really, they're not for my tool anyway. They came with burrs on the sides, so I tried trimming them off with the scissors, and not too cool, right? And when you put them on, there's really nothing to hold. It's not what I was looking for. I mean, how do you get your finger in there? You're just going to push your laser all around. So I decided against these. Although these would work fine on, let's say, a window or a shower door or something like that. So I went to send them back, and Amazon said, keep them. Don't even send them back. They come with a sticky on the back, and they are clear, and they're polycarbonate. So they would have worked on a window. So we're not going to use those. We're going to use these beautiful aluminum. Now, I could have got these in 3 different colors, but I chose the black because I think it's just high tech. I mean, won't that look cool? 5 to a package. They're in a plastic sleeve so they don't get scratched up, which is nice. They're in a box. And that company right there, SainSmart. Easy for me to say, huh? They come with a stick-on apparatus in the back here. And I believe there are some screw holes in here. I don't want to open it just yet. I want to put them on right here. And I had to come up with a way to do that. I measured 3 1/4 to a mark, which is a flat mark right here. So from the edge of my plastic to the flat mark is 3 1/4, and I put a pen mark on top. And I marked 3 1/4 inches with my Stanley Fat Max. Yeah! Now this is a great tape measure, nice and strong. I tried using a knockoff 3-foot by China, and this thing is just totally worthless. I guess it's okay for, I don't know what you'd use it for, but this Stanley Fat Max, and I got it from Amazon, is the way to fly. So I measured from the outside and I put a pen mark right there and a pen mark right there from the other side. That's 3 1/4, 3 1/4. I do like this tape measure. It's great. Highly recommend this tape measure for all around use. I mean, if you're running over to Lowe's or Home Depot, you want to have a tape measure on you, don't you? It's time to hit that like button. I'm going to put links to the tools and the hardware down in my description. Let's get back to the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. We're going to go back to my browser history. And those tape measures, 6 foot by Stanley, are $16.25. The cheap one was $6.99. I mean, come on. Would you buy that? No way. Get these 3 in a pack. And then the plastic by, what's the thing called? Primeline F2549. $9. Don't buy it for your tools. Now these, yeah, we're going to call Banyang. Hopefully I got that right. Banyang. 5-pack stick-on handles. Yeah, $24. Everybody was happy with them. So I highly recommend those bad boys. Yeah. Can't overemphasize how nice these are. All beautiful aluminum. I'm going to really look forward to putting them on my tool. My Genmitsu kiosk laser. Now I have a light down in here just for fun, so you can see what I'm doing. Here's the plastic cover. See, it's hinged, but you can't lift it up. It's just kind of cumbersome. I mean, where do you grab? On the sides? That's probably a design flaw, but I do love this machine. Let's turn it on. Ooh. Let's see if I can make it run. Ooh. Huh. You know, I flipped it over. I guess you don't want to flip it over. Maybe this dropped down. Yeah, this might have dropped down. Oh, you know what it's doing? It's hitting my light. Let's take that light out. Oh, it's not wanting to go there. Yeah, it was hitting my light. Be careful with your lights, guys. These things are not made to have something stuck in here way up in the gearbox. All right, let's put this on and have a little fun lifting it up with my new aluminum handles. Yeah, I'm liking these things. How big are these anyway? Well, they're about 3 1/4. Yep, 3 1/4. And they're an inch, a little over an inch, 1 1/8. And in the middle, looks like 3/4 of an inch. So the middle part is probably around an inch. You have a lip on the handle here so you can pick it up. They're all aluminum, so they're lightweight, and they have sticky on the back. Really beautiful. Let's set this up so I can show you how I did it. Got a couple of stands down here. I have my black light. And when I put this on here, it's the exact right height. I do love this black light. All right, I am going to take the backing off. I'll use one of my lock tools. Let's take a look at this. Oh, there are screw holes. Oh, and they're drilled and tapped. They did not give you screws with these, but look at there, guys. Drilled and tapped. That's nice. All right, now I'm going to stick it on, and I got to be super careful. This is polycarbonate. I do not want to make a mistake. Got everything set. Well, let's get it all perfect. The lid's down. I'm going to line it up with my 2 black marks. And let's not make a mistake, Mike. I'm setting it on the plastic black light. Here, we'll shut this off. All right, I'm going to try it again. Man, almost made a mistake, guys. We're going to go straight in. Here we go. I did clean the surface. Man, I hope I did that right. I think I did. I'm straight in. It's stuck nicely. Oh, beautiful. I'm lined up with my marks, which I can easily remove. It's just ink. I'm loving these handles. Look at how beautiful they are. All sticky. And I get 5 for the same as these plastic ones. Highly inferior. You know, I probably would have stuck them on, but the burrs on the sides were so bad. And I took a scissors, in fact this scissors, and I tried trimming it off, and all it did was leave white marks. I thought, nah, I can't put that on my beautiful tool. All right, let's see if it works. Take off my black light. Take my shims, which are just some pinning trays. Take those away. And let's see if it works. Oh, that's beautiful. Come on, that's so nice. Ah, beautiful. Even on the edge there. Just stuck on. That's so nice. I'm loving it, guys. Beautiful. Hardly any weight to them. I hope that looks good. I think it does. Great handle. Hopefully you've enjoyed this. I love showing you some of these cool little things you got to do to make your tools even better. You will love your tools if you add some things. These handles are well worth it. Get them from Amazon, about 24 bucks. There's the name of the company. You will be happy. You can get them in 3 different colors. I chose black. Could have chose aluminum colored, but I thought maybe they would shine, and the black is perfect. Thanks again, guys. Oh, I gotta tell you one more thing. I would like to hear this text.
Okay, here you go. The red plastic cover on your SainSmart Kiosk 10W diode laser serves a crucial safety purpose. Diode lasers like yours typically emit a concentrated beam of light in the blue spectrum, often around 455 nanometers. This blue light, even from a 10W laser, can be highly damaging to your eyes, specifically the retina, upon direct or even reflected exposure. The red cover acts as a filter. Its material and red color are specifically engineered to absorb or block the harmful blue laser wavelength, while allowing other wavelengths of light, which appear red to our eyes, to pass through. This allows you to observe the laser's operation and your material without exposing your eyes to the intense and dangerous blue laser light. Think of it like specialized sunglasses for the laser's specific wavelength. This protection is vital to prevent permanent vision damage.
There we have it, guys. Now I have a beautiful handle on my kiosk laser engraver, and we are going to have some fun. Please stay tuned to my channel. I'll tell you more about good stuff like this coming your way in the future. Again, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips. Conversation with AI out of the blue.
I was just wondering if you had any projects in mind for your laser engraver yet.
Well, I do. What do you suggest?
Well, you could start with something simple like engraving your name or a cool design onto a piece of wood or acrylic. Or, if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, you could try personalizing some coasters or a phone case. What kind of materials do you have available?
I have keys available.
Keys are a fun option. You could try engraving initials or a small design onto a keychain for a personalized touch. Do you have any specific designs or ideas in mind?
Yes, I do. I want to put numbers and letters on keys for buildings.
That's a great idea. Engraving numbers and letters onto keys for buildings is a practical and useful project. You could create a template with the numbers and letters you need, then use the laser engraver to etch them onto each key. It'll make organizing and identifying keys so much easier.
Thanks a lot.
You're very welcome. I'm excited to see the finished keys. Be sure to share a picture with me when you're done.
Oh, I sure will.
Thanks for tuning in to my channel, Door and Lock Tips, and we'll see you on the next one.
A laser on a laser. Oh man, I cracked myself up. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends. I'll have more door and lock tips like this stuff coming your way in the future. Yeah.